Wale walikuja na wale
riri kambeni cia githurano gia gucokerwo ithiete na mbere kunyita thinga. Kiungano kia ahunjia na mabishofu wa makanitha matiganite kaunti-ini ya Kajiado nimoritie Akenya kugia na urumwe mbere hindi na thutha wa githurano.
Wale walikuja na wale
makiaria kanitha-ini wa Anchura kaunti ya Kajiado, ahunjia nimeranĩire gũtuĩka nĩ ituri itiganĩte na kũhũrĩra ndebe mũtongoria wa bũrũri Uhuru Kenyatta mbere ya githurano kia mweri ũkĩte. Uge wao nĩ wĩkĩrĩtwo ũritũ nĩ gavana wa kaunti ĩyo Joseph Ole Lenku, ũrĩa ugĩte arĩ na ũma President Kenyatta nĩ akahotana githurano gĩũkĩte na kura nyingĩ makĩria.
This is to bring peace. This is to make sure the country is in peace. This is to make sure the election is fair, credible, and also there's peace in Kenya.
Pamoja na kwamba tunaamini pia kwamba alichaguliwa kihalali. Na kwa hivyo hiyo vitu mbili na fanya ili tuweze kusupport yeye.
We will see a more vibrant Kajiado under the Jubilee leadership, as we saw in the election that have just taken place, and as we had predicted earlier that Kajiado is a Jubilee county. We saw that 80% of the MCAs are Jubilee. The governor, the senator, the women rep, all the elected leaders have been elected on a Jubilee ticket.
Mweri-inĩ wa mũgwanja mwaka ũyũ President hĩndĩ ya icera rĩake kaunti-inĩ ĩno nĩ atugire kĩũngano kĩa makanitha na indo itiganĩte cia kũhunjĩria. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Mwaura wa Gunya.